Hello friends, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create bank letter and cover note. We have a default bank letter and cover note format, but then too if you want, then you can self-design bank letter and cover note. For that you will go on Masters, Marg Setups, Self Format. Then the window of self format will appear. You will define the date in reverse over here, that is 2016 to 22. Then the format window will appear. Firstly, we'll create a format for bank letter. So we will enter on bank letter. So here in this window, you will select default format, yes or no. If you want to keep the default format of Marg, then you will select yes. And if you want to self-design a format, then you will select no. And select the format DMP or GUI. And in GUI, portrait or landscape. Then enter. Enter on format. Then press escape. And a default bank letter format has appeared. So here you can do the changes according to your requirement. Like this is the bank name command. If below bank name you want the area name to be displayed, so you'll have to add the area name command below it. For that you'll simply press the F1 function key. Then the format variables window will appear. And here in description you will type area name. Then press enter to select it. And now to paste the area name command over here, you'll go over to that location and press the F3 function key. Like I want the area name to be displayed below the bank name. So I'll press enter. Now to paste the area name command, we'll press the F3 function key. So here you see the command has been loaded. So similarly, according to your desire, you can do multiple changes in the format. But if you want to create a complete new format, so for that you'll clear all this by pressing Ctrl A and then backspace. So now you can create a complete new format from here. Like suppose we type here 2 and down here we want the party name. So to select the party name command, we'll press the F1 function key and type party name. Now to paste it here, press the F3 function key. Now down here we want the party's address. So again you'll press F1, type party address. Here you see there are 3 address line. Line 1, line 2 and line 3. Like suppose I enter on party address line 1 and now to paste it press the F3 function key. Similarly if you want to place party address line 2, then here itself you'll press F3 function key and change this 1 to 2. Further we'll type here subject to whomsoever it may concern. Now we have created a format. To save it, we'll press the Ctrl+W key and then enter on save. Then as soon as you enter on save, a window appears, bank letter. You'll simply press escape and a format has been saved. Now let's create a format for cover note as well. For that, we will select cover note from formats. Then here also this window appears where you'll select no if you want to self-design a format and select DMP or GUI. Enter. So firstly we want the company name. So for that we'll press F1 function key and here on the top itself you'll find main company name. Enter. Press F3 to paste. Similarly down here we want the party's name. So in the same way we'll press F1, type party's name and F3 to paste it. And then further on you can create your own cover note and save it by pressing Ctrl W. Now let's see how will your cover note and bank letter get printed. For that you'll go on sales book. Select the bill whose bank letter or cover note you want to print and enter on print. Before that, you have to make sure that the option of print cover note and bank letter is on. For that, you'll go on Masters, Control Room and search for print cover note. And select whether you want to print cover note, bank letter or both. Suppose we choose both. Press escape and save this. Now let's go on sales book. Enter on print. Press escape and a window appears print bank letter or cover note. Suppose now we choose bank letter. Enter, then enter on view. So here you see the print preview of your bank letter. So friends, in this way you can create bank letter and cover note in Marg software. Thanks for watching.
Further, for any queries, you can call on a landline number which is 011 309 69600, or you can also chat on a website which is www.markcompusoft.com. You can also SMS us on 56767. If you want to learn any feature of Marg software in detail, then you can view or download a video tutorial from our website, that is www.tutorial.markcompusoft.com.
इन्वेंट्री और अकाउंटिंग को मैनेज करने में पहले बही खाते और फिर दूसरे सॉफ्टवेयर काम तमाम कर देते थे, लेकिन जब से आया है मार्क इन्वेंट्री एंड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर, मेरे सारे काम हुए फास्ट, इजी और एक्यूरेट। मार्क, माय बिजनेस बैकबोन।